Hi, it's Michaela. This is a quick video just showing different outcomes with different puddling. This right here is the dried result from the last reel I did, where I used the same colors as my previous YouTube video. I just added one iridescent color. And so I'm going to show something similar here in two little pours. So I'm just going to go over the colors in the first one, and then you guys can just watch the rest and let me know what you think. So putting down the base, titanium white with about 50% water. And here's the Winsor blue, just a tiny bit because it's pretty dark. Then I add, this is the new one I added, the Pebeo iridescent green blue, followed by primary blue and primary yellow. These colors will all be in the description box, as well as the brands. It's magenta, and then Pebeo iridescent gold. So here I puddled all the colors on top of each other, starting with the blues. And this is different from the last YouTube video, and I get a really different outcome. So I'm just, putting the base around my puddle, and I'm going to swipe it over there, the blow dryer. And then when I torch, I get a lot of cells, and you can see some really nice effects, and the colors mixed really nicely in this one. So yeah, these are just really little 6-inch canvases. There, my blow dryer didn't hit the paint right, so I had to just blow it out myself briefly. And then I just do like a little touch up here where I had a little too much paint on one side, and then it wouldn't have dried nicely. So I'll just let you watch the next one, and I'll be back. I definitely like this first one much better. It's got almost every color in there. Turquoise, blue, green, red, magenta, orange. I love that one. And then the second one is nice, but I had issues blowing out the top. So I love the effects here on the lower part of the painting. And definitely the paint flow over the sides is really nice. So just showing how differently the pours can turn out just depending on how your blow dryer hits it. I did do this one that I posted on the reel twice to get a result that I really liked. So I hope this helps. Let me know what you think. I'm going to try to show the dried results here at the end too. So I'll be right back. So you can see they dried really nicely, just one coat of varnish, and colors are really vibrant, and it's a very nice finish on all of them. I zoomed in on this one for quite a bit because I just love it. I love the colors on that one. But I also really like this last one I did and how the colors are more muted. I did mess with it again off camera. I just couldn't help myself. I just really wasn't happy with how it blew out. So anyways, let me know which one is your favorite. And if you haven't subscribed and liked the video, please do so. It really helps my channel. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.